That's a drum roll. Whether you play jazz, rock, or orchestral percussion, everybody has a good drum roll. So let's talk about how to develop a roll. I like to break it down into something we talked about earlier, which was the bounce. And we're going to take that bounce and turn that into the basis for building a roll. So what we're going to do is start at a slow tempo, which would be largo. And I'm going to do a bounce. I'm going to alternate bounces, right and left. And I call this Mama Daddy. 3, 4. Mama Daddy, Mama Daddy, Mama Daddy, Mama Daddy, Mama. Okay? Now work on that until both hands sound exactly the same and they're with the metronome. When you got that, you can go faster. Same thing. 3, 4. And don't go faster until you've got that down with the metronome and both hands sound even. As you get faster and faster, the sticks are going to start to bounce on their own. We're getting closer to a roll. Getting faster. Now when you can do that, you've got the sticks under control, you're doing 2 bounces in each hand. Turning that into a roll is pretty easy because you've developed the evenness in your hands, and it's a matter of letting the sticks go, not controlling that double bounce anymore, but buzzing them. And that's where it gets fun. And the buzz, instead of the bounce, that's the bounce, the buzz is. So what I was playing just now, if I let the sticks go, turns into a roll. Pretty cool, huh?